What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is awesome. I got the Borg K-27. We're gonna be installing it on the truck. I also have a broken motor mount, so I'm gonna deal with that while I'm down there. Because with that turbo out of the way, it should make it a lot easier. But this is the beautiful baby. So with this, you're gonna have to turn the inlet housing a little bit. So you just undo these bolts and twist it to the right orientation. I'll just do that when I get the stock turbo out of the truck, so I can kind of compare it and get it close. My locking bolts are at home. I'm not gonna put my locking bolts in until I buy a manifold, and I think I'm just gonna get a 3-piece manifold. It's like 350 bucks. So I've lubed up all of the bolts, let them sit, let the motor cool down, so we can start taking this bad boy off. It's been giving us a great time, a lot of smiles, but it's time to upgrade. So we're gonna put him on. This one's gonna retire. Let's get to it. I forgot my tripod, so bear with me if the angles suck. Yeah, sorry. I'm gonna start by removing the oil feed lines. So there's the inlet and the outlet. Outlet's on the bottom. To take off the bottom one, you have 2 10 mils, and then the top, I'm just gonna use a crescent wrench to get it off. It just so happens that the only 1/4-inch ratchet I have here is broken. I have to hold this, so see how that goes. I'm not very happy about it, but whatever. All right, with the oil feed lines taken off, next I'm gonna remove the intake and the exhaust. All right, with the cast elbow taken off and the exhaust unhooked, I'm gonna take off the wastegate line. Now it is time to take off turbo to manifold bolts. So I'm using a 15. I'm gonna put the box end on and use this beautiful Pittsburgh dead blow hammer. I'm gonna hit the end wrench and take these off, and then yeah, let's go from there. Finished up with that. It's a 13 mil, the back of these bolts. So I'm gonna turn this kind of like that one, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. You just gotta loosen up all of these so the plate isn't pinching it. I'm gonna plop this in the truck, make sure the inlet housing is where it needs to go, and then I'll probably take it back out, tighten everything back up, and then put it back in. So let's do it. So you have 2 adjustments you need to make. You need to make the adjustment for the inlet housing. You also need to make the adjustment for this. This is the top of the oil feed line. This is the bottom, as you can see. So I need to twist this a little bit that way. And then after you do that, then figure this to hook onto that. So yeah, so just switch this one first, and then you can switch the inlet housing. So I'm gonna do that right now. Also, you need to take off this fitting to your old turbo. It goes like that. So this goes into your turbo. It came off the old one, so make sure you do that. I mean, you can't miss it because you can't hook that up without it. I got it all in and everything, but it wasn't filming, so whatever. I'm gonna put that on and then put my battery back and my intake back, and then I'm gonna go home because I think it's like 12 or something. So I'm gonna hurry and do that real quick. Alright, so that's basically a wrap. Let's get out of it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's basically it. I thought it was like 12. It's like 1. So I'm gonna go home, eat something, go to bed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and peace out.